Have you heard about Muhurat Trading? Now that was not Muhurat Trading. In 1957, the Bombay Stock Exchange introduced Muhurat Trading for the first time. During the Muhurat hours, trading is permitted for a set period of time on a day when the market is otherwise closed for Laxmi Poojan. Market participants believe that buying or trading on this occasion will bring in Goddess Lakshmi's blessings and will usher in the year's journey towards wealth creation. In 1992, the National Stock Exchange also started offering Muhurat Trading, which is conducted annually using several timetables. Another word that is associated with Muhurat Trading is Samvat. Let us understand what is Samvat. Muhurat Trading indicates the beginning of Samvat 2079. This is when the traditional business community opens their books of accounts for the new financial year according to the Hindu calendar. Trading in the stock, equity and derivative segments will begin at 6:15 pm and terminate an hour later at 7:15 pm, according to the notice posted on BSE and NSE. However, trade modification will be allowed until 7:25 pm. For more such videos, follow ICICI Direct.
Investments in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all related documents carefully before investing.
Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to never miss an update from ICICI Direct.